Welcome to our channel. Today we are doing unbox video for Reedy Blackbox 510 speed control, and this is for 2S lipos and it's for the 1/10 scale, so you can use it for 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive or touring cars. Here is the owner manual. Here are all the specs. Here is the installation, warnings, and here is a list of all the features, how to adjust the brake, throttle, power, and you can also get some telemetry from the motor. And if you have problems, here is a list also how to see what's wrong. So here's the speedo. All the wires are connected, and it's pretty compact size. It's really low. Here are places to mount a cooling fan if you need one. If you are running really hard motors and maybe hot temperature, you need the fan, but should be okay without it also. So that's about it. This was Reedy Blackbox 510, and thank you for watching. See you next time.